Okay, a little bit more with this stuff, measures of center and spread. Um, so if we have, we set up our quartiles, numbers from smallest to biggest. We put our median in the middle, and then we find the median of the right side, median of the left side. Those are our quartiles, okay? Sometimes you call them upper and lower quartiles. Sometimes you call them first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. Lots of different names for them. But just keep in mind, this is an equal 25% for your data, okay? And if you were going to find something called the interquartile range, you would subtract quartile 3 minus quartile 1. This is an important little guide here. What I would do is I would pause this, screenshot it, and copy it down into your notebooks. That's important. So if you were going to put these in quartiles, the first thing you would do is put them in order from least to greatest. Okay. And then you'd put the median in the middle. So your median would go, right here. Okay. Then you would take all the rest of your data to the right of your median and then find the median of that. And that would be quartile 3. Okay. So that would be somewhere over here. And then you would do all the data to the left of the median and then find the median of that, and that would be quartile 1. Okay, median is quartile 2. And that will help you make your box and whisker plot, okay, as you kind of saw above. So again, interquartile range is you subtract the upper and lower quartiles. Okay, that gives you the spread between the two. And outliers. Okay, outliers are points that don't really count for the data. Okay, what it says is this too far away, so we don't include those in the data. So if I was taking an average of how everybody did on a test, if 3 kids didn't take the test and got zeros, I wouldn't include them in the data because they're just going to bring the average down. Okay, or if somebody got 100 and everybody got 30s, I'd leave the 100 out and just worry about the people in the 30s. So this is how you would calculate whether something is an outlier or not. You got to find the interquartile range, okay, and then multiply it by 1.5, and then subtract it from the quartile 1 or add it to quartile 3. So if it's bigger, too big, it would be right here, and if it's too small, it would be right here. Okay, skew. So if the data is normal, that means there's an equal representation. The median's right in the middle, and everything's kind of spread out evenly. Positive skew right here shows you that this range from the median to the upper quartile is larger than the left side, and vice versa for a negative skew. And here are other examples with these curves, negative skews versus positive skews. Okay, so for your classwork, you're going to first find the median, then find the upper and lower quartiles. And it's asking for minimum and maximum values. It's just what's the highest number, what's the lowest number. That's all. Okay.